Hello guys, time for a little walk with the dog in this snowpocalypse. Been out running the snowblower for 2 hours. I'm all iced up, but you'll see me soon. Bye bye. Hi guys, so we got about 8 to 10 inches overnight with some wind, so we have a lot of drifts and stuff. As I said, been out 2 hours running the snowblower. I actually had more ice in my beard, but I have been inside and just filled up a bowl, going out with the dog here. Bella, she's not too happy. But it's really beautiful. We had like 0 degrees Celsius overnight, so the snow got pretty heavy, but then it got colder, so it's pretty light anyways. I mean, it snowed heavy, so it's not heavy snow. And Stana, coming. And well, we're gonna have like -14 or something tonight. So it's crazy weather, and more snow will come. So I'm getting a bit tired now shoveling snow, because the plow, he's almost always late, and then people start running their cars, walking around, you know, compacting the snow. So we try to clear up as much as we can, especially at the garages and stuff like that, and outside our houses. Kom då! Kom! Bella, kom! Hey, kom in! Yeah. So down here in the valley, the Green Meadow it's called, they actually put in the cross-country ski tracks in here, down there. So they have like a scooter with one of those track making thingies in behind. So people are cross-country skiing down here, and I'm just enjoying this wonderful nature at the moment. It's really beautiful when it's a lot of snow, especially on the trees like this and stuff like that, and going down the slopes with a pulka, or a sled as you say in English, with a little Ruby. She loves it. So, well, that's it. I just wanted to make this short one. I'll add some other video in as well. You don't have to look at my ugly face. So have a nice evening, or day, I would say. Sunday. Cheers. I forgot to tell you, smoking some Westminster GLPs. We have a lot of wildlife here. This is dog tracks though, but a lot of deer, a lot of forest and field hares, like big rabbits, fox, moose. Yeah, a lot of wildlife, badger, squirrels, and all that shit. But European badgers, so anything like the American badger. Actually, have been wolves sightings here in my county. So there's wolves too. They're traveling down south. We actually have had brown bears. You know, a couple of years ago, I think, we actually had a brown bear that walked out in the northeast side of Stockholm. I think they had to shoot him. I don't know, I don't remember. Not far from where I live, someone hit a wolf as well on the highway like 20 years ago. Vad hittade? Oh, she found something. It's just a bird. Oh. Now I need to put a leash on her, so I'm gonna go down to that green meadow. So I got snow in my pipe, and we had to walk through some very deep snow because a tree had, you know, fell down in front or on the walk path because it had too much snow on it. Bella, come here. So I think this is it, and I hope you enjoy this short little clip from me out in the woods. I should have done this as a survival thingy, making a fire, making some coffee or something, but I need to do stuff at home. Relight my pipe with snow in it and head back home. See you guys later. Have a really nice Sunday, and take care. Don't do anything stupid. Cheerios.